guys, so I'm back in the UK and I've brought back a demo bike with me. And as you can see, the finish has come out really nicely. And this is the first bike to incorporate the new headset design. So we tested this in Taiwan, passed with flying colours. So I thought I'd just take you through it, how it works, and show you all the pieces inside. So one of the really nice features about this new headset design is that we've got a little collar here which is pushed down by this top cap and screw, which takes up any gap between these arms here and this head tube, and that ensures that we get no play at all in this headset and just the right amount of preload here on the bearings. So I'll just show you how that works. If I tighten this up to a specific torque, there we go, and then tighten this tangent screw up, and that is good to go. So you got really smooth movement, no play in there, and just the right amount of preload on the bearings. So another part of this front assembly that we've reworked to make it a bit easier to service is these hinge pins here. So these were originally a pin that was pressed into the joint, but what we've got now is a screw-based system which enables it to be easily removed. So we've still got this really nice, completely play-free motion there, but it consists of these steel parts here. So we've got this part that sits on the inside, and then that interfaces with these caps that go in from the side. And the benefit of this is that all of the actual bearing surfaces between these steel parts themselves, so any wear is between these parts and not the hinge body itself, which means that when it does wear, we can pop these out and replace them without any damage to the aluminium hinges. So this is quite a special grade of steel. It's 440C, which is known for its high hardness, but it's also very corrosion resistant. So it's ideal for applications like this, where you've got parts that move relative to each other, but you've also got exposure to the outside environment. So yeah, I'm going to carry on putting this together and look forward to showing you the finished bike soon.